Hello and welcome to yet another unboxing video. This time around we're live at the scene of the crime where my house fucking collapsed. But I got this pretty cool Amazon package. I went ahead and ripped off the address so as to disguise my location, and it kind of spoils what is inside. But nevertheless, get this son of a bitch open. Oh no. A horrible wrapping job Amazon did here. There we go. We're getting places now. We're getting places, ladies and gentlemen. I just gotta tape the damn bubble wrap shut. Ah! Frustration. Well, this thing will be open eventually. I swear. Ah, that's bad. Structural damage. I'll go ahead and call it cut. Back at it. Got it open. Let's check that out. Look at that. Look at that niceness. Look at that. Damaged the box a little bit there trying to get it open overzealously. That sucks. But look at that deluxe Leatherface action figure right there. This fucking hammer came loose too. Terrible. So you get the hammer. You get a little tiny baby chainsaw. You get an old lady makeup head. You get the classic head. You get a meat cleaver. You get a teeny blade, which, did he ever even use a teeny blade in the movie? I don't think he did. And you get a bloody meat hook, as well as the fully attired, looks like actual leather, for that cheap knockoff pleather crap. So a nice little bone wristband there. That's pretty slick. And there you have it, a deluxe NECA Texas Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface action figure. Is this even a NECA figure? Might not even be NECA now that I'm looking at it. I don't know who the hell made this thing. But there you have it. Texas Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface action figure. Can never go wrong with Texas Chainsaw Massacre as long as it's the original, or part 2, or part 3. The rest, getting some iffy territory. I'm a damn magician.